Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this workshop on Texas government documents. I'm Fatima Khulusi Raftar, Research and Instruction Librarian, and today I'm gonna give you introduction to some government websites about Texas. If you have any questions during the session, please put in the chat box. I will monitor them and answer them. Just let you know, this session is recording, and I'm going to stop the video in order for you to focus on the screen, and I'm going to take you to the library page and start my presentation from that page. Okay. This is the library page and tmuc.edu/library. I'm going to take you to the research guides or the guides on various topics, and click on that, and then click on browse all research guides and take you to government information section, and then click on government documents guide. This is the guide, and I created on government documents. For today's presentation, we go to Texas legislature. Okay. So through this page, I'm going to introduce the state of Texas government resources. And let's start from texas.gov. Okay. Texas.gov is the official website of the state of Texas, and through this page, we can find about the online services, resources, information around the state. For example, if you click on Find Services, you can access their vital records. You can apply for the license, different kinds of licenses, and apply for the vehicle registration, and replace or renew driver's license, and request licensed driver records, and more. So through this page, you can get all the information about the services, or you can explore more about Texas. You can explore more about the residents. For example, voter registration, living in Texas. So if you go to this page, you can see who can vote and get information about the Texas voter registration. Also, you can get some information about the Texas business, like business in Texas, occupational, professional licenses, and so forth. Okay, so I'm going to go back and go to the library page and go to other kind of Texas government websites. The other websites that I'm going to introduce is Texas Legislature Online. Through this website, you can get information about the Texas legislature, including bills, the bill status, and information about Texas senators and representatives. This website also provides links to other resources such as the Texas statutes, constitution, and administrative code, as well as House and Senate links. Let's go and see how it looks like. So through this Texas legislature online website, you can get information about the Texas House, about the speaker, members, committees, calendars of events, and so forth. You can get information about Texas Senate, about members, committee, and more. Also, there is a search box that you can search for bill or search by legislature number, or you may go to the additional searches and click on each one of these that you're interested and search for example, bill lookup, bill search, amendments, sections affected, and so forth. And if you don't know how to work with this website, you may go to how do I find list of filed bills? How do I follow the status of a bill, and so forth. It gives you instruction and walk you through how to search for. For example, let's go to bill lookup. And here you see that if you put the bill number, it gives you the information about. For example, let's put HCR 14. Here it is, HCR 14, and see that, and let's see what you want. For example, about amendments, about authors, about history, about what. So it is information type that you're looking for, and then you can hit submit, and it gives you all the information about that bill. Okay, and they are hyperlinks, and you may go into each one of them, like the kind of bill sent to governor, signed in the Senate, and so forth. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the guide page and go to the other website, and it is Texas House of Representatives. These websites gives you all information about the Texas House of Representatives, as the name says, and you can get information about the members of the House of Representatives. You can get information about committees, House committees. You can go to the research page and also research or search bills, search legislature about Texas, search journals, and search House organization. So you can do all of these. You can go directly to resources, and they are hyperlinks. You may click on any of those and see what information is included, like House witness registration. So these are some forms, some information that would be helpful for those researchers that wanna just write a paper or kind of thesis, dissertation, assignment, for whatever reasons they're searching on Texas government. There are audio video as well, so you may go and see that, for example, Texas Ethics Commission time, today, it was for today, and it was an event, but in progress later you may find a video to this event. Okay, I'm gonna again go back to the guide and take you to the other government website about Texas. So it is Guides to Texas Legislative Information. So, oops, it says it doesn't open. Let me see one more time. Texas House, okay. Okay, it is temporarily unavailable, so I'm gonna just skip this one for now. And then a guide to Texas, we went to this, it was kind of temporarily unavailable. Let's go to Legislative Budget Board. It is a page that is about a joint committee of the Texas legislature that develops budgets and policy recommendation for, they give policy recommendation for legislative appropriations for all agencies of Texas government. So let's go and see how it looks. So it's called Legislative Budget Board. So if you want to know about the budgets of different years, you may go ahead and click on these sections. For example, a state budget 24-25, 88 legislature documents. So there are a lot of information. For example, if you click on this, it gives you a document about the 88th Texas Legislature regular session 2023. Okay, And it is Texas of Conference Committee report on House Bill number 1. So it is a document and is helpful with a table of contents, helpful for those people who are researching this topic. Okay, and then the other information, if we go to budget, let's see how it looks like. Oh, it is already on budget. It shows here on down part, almost middle of the page. And these are budget related information about everything, selected budget issues, about budget resources, operating budget, all about the Texas budgets. Let's go to the other resource. It's called Texas Factbook. Texas Factbook is a biennial publication by the Legislative Budget Board. The Factbook includes contact information for all members of legislature, maps of legislative complex, and statistics on population, state spending, and exports. So let's go and see how it looks like. So it is a book. It is for 2012 Legislative Budget Board with table of contents, and it's a kind of book that with kind of table of contents, and let me go back and see. Yeah, table of contents in here, but then it starts about the state governments and a statement, elected official, and with date and other information. So those who are searching for may find some important data and information that's looking for through this document. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Texas Legislative Reference Library. This library serves the reference and research needs of the legislature, its staff, and its committee. Sometimes the library assists the public and other state agencies with legislative research. This website provides electronic access to bill chapter, bill cross-reference tables, and the index to sections affected. Let's go and see how it looks like. So it is the website, and there are some quick links. Sometimes the quick links are very helpful, but there are some searching boxes that you can find the bills number that you're looking for, or any other information that you have, and then go to find the bills. Or there is another collection called a library catalog, and you can just search the keywords of the documents that you're looking for. And this is the searching for the whole site. Okay, so for the quick links, you can see that today clips, today's committee meeting, you know, that it is current, it is up to date. So find current or former legislators and so forth. So these government websites are reliable and full of information, data, and statistics, and so much useful for those people who are researching the government documents, specifically today, who are researching Texas government documents. Okay, and then the other one would be the last one, Texas Legislative Council. It is a non-partisan legislative agency that provides bill drafting, computing, research, publishing, and document distribution services to the Texas legislature and the other legislative agencies. Offers online access to publications such as Guide to Texas Legislative Information and the Texas Legislative Council Drafting Manual. Okay, let's go and see how it looks like. So there are some items of interest, for example, some new information, code projects, data, and demographics. I know a lot of students have some research for demographics. Research on demographics and searching for demographics. So unemployment. So if we go, and there are some others on top, specifically on publications, on data, and others. So let's go to data directly, and it has two parts: high value data sets and district profiles. Depends on your research, you select one of those and go and see that the data, and each one of them goes to more kind of data about, more detailed data about that. But as you see, it's a kind of document full of information, and specifically the statistical information. And if we go back, we can go to the other sections like code projects. So you see that talks about the process, about the review, and again, there are some subtopics under the code projects, and you can find a lot of information. And if we go back, we see, for example, let's go to data and demographics. Okay, and see that, oh, there are a lot of information, like legislative information, redistricting information, district profile information. Let's go to this one. And okay, it is in Excel, so it's been downloaded. You need just to click on that and then see that, yes, it is here. So it's open in my on my other screen. So I brought it here. So it is what it looks like. So with all the information, or probably raw data or the other data, and this is in Excel, so you can manage it, manage the usage of this better. Okay, so just hold on, please. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to PowerPoint, and please, and let you ask me questions if you have any questions. This is my contact information. If you have any questions for now, please ask. If not, you may contact me later and request for one-on-one research session. Okay, thank you for attending this session again. Have a wonderful evening. Bye.